And we are saying that where we are living is where the gold mining is happening. But we are calling for the help from the community and the government, being that there is a company that is being initiated in our area that is going to use the toxic chemicals that is going to kill our youth, those who are going to employ there. So we are calling and we are saying to our NCA that this mine, it would have made us to learn. So we are calling the community that let us come together so the Chinese company the way out of our world.
Ninasema hivi, kulingana na mambo na gold, nina uhakika kweli watu wa China hawatafanya kazi hapa. Kwa sababu gani? Tuna ukweli wenye walikuwa na chimba na mikono, tulitegea hiyo mali kukula kwa miaka mingi sana hadi na wajukuu wetu. Lakini watu wa China wakikuja na zile masini na wachimbe chini na masini watawacha zile chemical na wajukuu wetu hakuna mali yenye watoto wetu wajukuu wetu watakula.
Meeting has been convened and was totally by myself as the member of county assembly. I made my invitation to the city company who is having China members, and I invited them for public participation and with the information of what they are doing. They have failed to honor my invite. It has shown disrespect to be working in my and also disrespect to the people who are the landowners of the said piece of land. So we have unanimously decided as people of North Ramba and East Assembly that we are not allowing a Chinese-owned company being fabricated by somebody who is not a member of this region that to do mining in our area.
Now, aikari amuna wa badogo kuna